stories have the power to connect people. They have the power to influence people, to change beliefs and change behavior. Now, how many of you want to do that? Influence, impact, and influence. So there was a man who bought 200 random ordinary items, and he spent a total of $129. When he went to eBay and created a story around each object, listed them individually, and ended up selling the items for $8,000. Now, words are my thing, not math, but you can see how that was a significant change. And that's what happens to your product, to your service, to your brand. That's what happens when you add stories. As a matter of fact, Brian Eisenberg, the author of Elayna, if you don't know him, he's really awesome, talks a lot about content marketing. He says that marketing is about mastering the art of storytelling. That facts tell, but stories tell. So if that is not enough, then there are also studies that tell us that people remember 22% more what you teach them, what you tell them, what you share with them when stories are added to the facts of the figures. Harvard Business Review says that people trust and recommend brands that they connect with at an emotional level. And how do we add emotion? Through story. Absolutely. Through storytelling. Stories are relatable, they're memorable, they're shareable, they add value, and people engage more with those stories. And so that makes our content richer, and content is king, our engagement better, with engagement is queen, and also our marketing easier. So how many of you want to try stories now? Okay, there you go. Gear up, because I'm going to put you to work in a little bit.